everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to buy a domain for your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have. So guys, after finding the website where you want to buy a domain for, go ahead and click on the website. After clicking on it guys, now this will open up our website in a page, and as you can see on the left side of the screen, we have all these options that enable us to edit our website. So guys, how do you buy a domain? Well, it's very simple. All you have to do guys, go ahead and click this option right here called settings. Go ahead and into settings guys, and now after clicking on settings guys, you can see that there is an option right here called domains. So guys, go ahead and click on domains right here. And after clicking on domains guys, you can see that this will bring you to this page where you can see two options, either get a domain or use a domain you own. If you already have a domain guys, choose this option, but if you do not have a domain guys, go ahead and click get a domain, and now Squarespace will enable you to buy a domain for your website. You can see what is available, you can search for a domain, you can select anyone, it will show you the prices, select the domain that you want. After that guys, go ahead and select one domain, go ahead and click on checkout right here. Clicking on checkout guys, go ahead and then enter your info about your credit card so that you can buy this domain. After that guys, you will successfully buy the domain and your domain website will be changed. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.